Hello everyone, this will be one take unboxing for our German magnetic poetry kit. This is basically some small fridge magnets with words. You can make up sentences, and in that way you can learn Deutsch when you're going for your food, I guess. So this is quite a big box. I have quite a big hand. Let's say, look at this camera compared to this. It's quite huge. So lots of words inside. Okay, so this is on the back. This is on the sides. Okay, let's slide it out. It's really tightly packed. Okay, got the box out of the way. Oh, look at this. German Mini Dictionary. Kleines Wörterbuch. My German is terrible. Okay, so you get this little card with words. Mini Dictionary. Quite cool. And yeah, inside we see the letters. Oh, they stick to each other. Oh, real magnets, huh? Like this. Nothing more inside there. As you can see, magnets. Loads of them. These are really well made. As you can see, these are. And you can like bam. Okay, and here we go. Have a separate word. So you stick them like this to the fridge. So we have these letters. I'll go fast, just you guys can see what kind of words you can make. That's a lot of words. I'll cover my fridge and my car and my elevator. It's made of metal, and I know everything with these. Like, a bit of fun. I don't know half of these words. Wasser is water. I don't know. Auto. Oh, a car. Okay. Okay, lots of words. I'm lost for words. Du macht Liebe. Oh my God. Hat hist. Sommersfall früh. Name Sache. Come on, when this will stop? So many words. I have the best words in German. Okay, so that's a lot of words. So that's what you get when you buy this little thing. So thanks for watching, and please be sure to subscribe for more content like this. And of course, hit that like button really hard.